Last thing I want to point out on this is please, please, please optimize your images for faster loading. More people read things on their phone, so you should not be uploading the banner size from your website to your email marketing system. Make sure you compress your images because your email marketing systems do not do that for you. So if you've uploaded a 400 kilobyte, and that doesn't sound very big, but for email where you have 4 images in it, it can be really big. So that can be a full meg when you have 4 images loading. So try to bring down the size of your images and optimize them. Most of the email marketing systems do not support WebP, which is what we use for optimizing images online on your website. So you do need to remember that you're still using a JPEG, a PNG, or GIF. And when you do animated GIFs, those are the moving images, because I didn't see if anyone asked the question, but I always get asked, no, you cannot put video in an email. How you see video is an animated GIF, and going into those systems and optimizing them so they load quickly. But if you do an image, like, I'm gonna go back to this one for just a second, make sure it's a short email because there's nothing else in this email but save 15% off. So if you wanted an animation, this is a perfect example of doing something short where you might have hugs, kisses. That's the kind of fun animated thing that people go, oh, I really liked that.